Mufasa.
Dog's drinking it while being Are you trying to rescue dog?
Things that the handlers need to be aware of is areas that you're searching, the direction of the wind. Are we going to do a pattern search? Right now, Rusty's doing that generally as a pre-search, where he's just making his way. Now
Are you happy, Mufasa?
This is not his official indication of where the gun is located. Rusty's obviously nervous, but as any true good handler, Jasmine is prepared with her doggy bags. So after his little bathroom break, Rusty continues his search, and he's working his way upwind. You'll notice, if you feel the wind, it's kind of coming in this direction. So he works his way up, and you can see when he gets to this place where he freezes, that's his actual indication. So when he comes to
Beautiful.
the source of...
Oh, they give pup cups? Oh, do you want pup cup, Mufasa? Oh my god. Mufasa.
Say Ratchy. Yeah.
Hi.
So I just
So cute.
might as well, right? Yeah.
You're so cute. Oh my god. How old is he? 6 months. You're 6 months.
What's it Bella?
Oh my goodness.
What kind of girl do we have?
All the way. Hi.
That's right. She got look at the
You're so hands.
Tony, Bella.
Well, thank you for letting us say
Yeah, thank you. You have a beautiful day.
That's why
Mufasa's like, I'm going. I'm going. Mufasa. Mufasa.
funny dog.
Oh, that's the worst. I know. Oh. Mufasa. Mufasa. Hi. Yeah. Mufa. Are you enjoying that so much? Easy, easy. Cute. Oh yeah, it is.
I've never seen one in a long, long time.
Yeah, well, this is Mufasa. Mufasa, say hi.
What's his name?
Mufasa.
Mufasa. And what's it trying to do in the water?
He's just cooling off. Absolutely, he's super friendly. This is Mufasa. What was that?
What breed is he?
He's a Saint Bernard.
How old?
He's 2.
Oh my goodness.
Just turned 2.
Oh my god. He's so happy.
He's so happy.
I've never seen one. How much will he?
I think he's like 135. He got his picture taken. Look how cute. Oh, he finally lied down. Good job. It's so hot. Woo! These are all the dogs that can be adopted. Hi, Doc! Mufasa! Oh. Hello, guys!
We got the shirt, so. And they give him.
Nope.
Hello, down.
That's scary.
Scary for you? Come on. Back.
Mufasa!
Come on. Go. Get a little wet.
This was a really nice day, event, show, everything. Hi, my love.
Always gotta say hi.
This one too.